Hey guys! Today we're gonna draw everyone's favorite ramen-loving shinobi ninja Naruto, or Naruto. This will be a two-part series and the second part will be a tutorial on how to color. Let's get started by drawing a slightly tilted oval for the head, and then draw a vertical line for the center of his face and a couple of lines to indicate where his eyes, nose, and mouth will be. And don't worry about being perfect, it's just a general idea of where we think these areas will be. Then draw a broad line for his shoulder slope, the center of his body where his zippers are, and then circles for his shoulders. Moving back up to the head, let's draw some general shapes for the ear, the headband, and his hair. Imagine if he's wearing a helmet and draw a half circle for the tip of his spikes and the inner part of the spikes. This will make it easier as we fill in the zigzag shape of the hair later on. We'll continue to use light strokes to draw remaining general shapes. Keeping the shapes general at early stages will help us keep the proportion and shapes in check. Let's fill in the details of the face using the guidelines we made earlier. And since it's a 3/4 view, his left side of the face will be wider than his right side. Before you finalize the shape of his eyes, it's easier if you draw the eyeball and his pupils to double check the placement of the eyes. So I realized that I made the guideline for his hair too small, so I'm making the spikes a little bigger. Don't worry about following your guidelines too strictly, because this is the reason why we start by keeping our strokes very light in the beginning. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions at all, please leave me a comment. Have a great day! Oh, and don't forget to tune in for my next video where we color in Naruto.